Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how I make this Faded Leopard tumbler. Super easy, super quick. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Jumping right in with my tumbler ready to go, I am using the epoxy method to apply my glitters today. They are both from Petey Creative Studio. Around the top here, I'll be applying Eventide, and around the bottom, I'll be applying Moon River, and I'm going to ombre these into each other. When I do my ombres, I like to do a thick band of the color right around the rim or right around the bottom of the tumbler, and then I will tilt the tumbler at an angle and gently tap and let the glitter fall down. I do this very slowly and I do this multiple times. You don't want to go overboard all at once because you won't get a nice blend in the middle. As you watch this video, you'll see how long it takes me to do this. I do it very slowly. That's how I ensure a really good blend. See here, I'm going around the bottom with a thick band, and then I will do the same thing by tilting my tumbler at an angle and letting it fall. So I'll go ahead and repeat this process a few times, just alternating the colors back and forth, making sure to tilt my tumbler and just go very slowly. This particular tumbler has a lip on it, and it was preventing my Moon River from blending up past it into the Eventide, so I had to aim my glitter a little bit past the lip in order to get it to blend. So just keep that in mind if you're using a tumbler with a lip, that you might have to aim where your glitter is falling just a little bit higher than you normally would. Once you're done glittering, you're going to let your adhesive dry, and then we will go ahead and epoxy this until smooth before moving on into the next step. Once your tumbler is completely smooth and dry, we're going to go ahead and start applying our vinyl. The color of your vinyl doesn't matter since we will be peeling it all off. I typically use scrap vinyl or just vinyl I have laying around. I don't like to waste. Just make sure it's removable, so that way you can peel it up easily. This leopard print I got off of Etsy, but you can use any leopard print you have laying around. Any of it will work, and the sizing doesn't matter. It's all personal preference. Make it however big or small you like. All you need to do is make sure you place your leopard print all over the tumbler from the top all the way to the bottom. When you're finished applying your decals, we're going to go ahead and take this outside and start spray painting. This is where we're going to get that faded look to this tumbler. So you're going to want to do this very slowly as well. You're going to start off by putting a thicker coat around the bottom of your tumbler. Just small squirts. Okay, don't go heavy. You don't want this to drip, and you don't want it to get too heavy all at once. Kind of like the ombre. This is an ombre with paint. So as you're going to want to slowly start moving your hand back even further and just doing very small squirts. Squirts is such a weird word. Bursts. Do small bursts. As you work your way around and up the cup, you want to make sure you just go lighter and lighter with that spray paint. I don't even aim for that top rim, because you will have overspray, and I like the effect that it gives it. It's just very, very minimal. When you're satisfied with your paint job, just go ahead and let this sit for a couple hours to dry, and then we will move on to taking all of these decals off. And now for the most tedious part in making this tumbler, removing all of this leopard print vinyl. To get the vinyl pieces up, I'm using my Tech Wrap weeding pen. I just use it to get underneath the vinyl, and then I use my fingers to peel it away, being careful not to scratch that paint. You'll want to go ahead and remove every single piece of vinyl all the way around the tumbler. Once you removed all of that vinyl, you'll go ahead and finish off your tumbler like normal. And here is the finished tumbler. Absolutely gorgeous. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Okay, bye.